How to fix Instagram Notes music not showing on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve the missing music option in Instagram Notes. First, make sure your Instagram app is fully up to date by going to the Play Store, searching for Instagram, and tapping Update if available. After that, go to your home screen and long press on the Instagram app icon, then tap on the Info or I button. From there, tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache. At this point, go back to App Info and tap on Force Stop to completely close Instagram, then reopen it. In the next step, make sure your account region supports Instagram Notes music, as this feature is not available in all countries. Following this, if your region is the issue, try changing your device language to English United States by going to Android Settings, tapping General Management, and then Language. Once done, restart your device and open Instagram again to check if the music option has appeared in Notes. From here, tap on Notes from your direct messages inbox and try adding a note. Tap on the music icon to see if it now shows up. Finally, if the feature is still missing, it may be a gradual rollout from Instagram, and you may just need to wait a few days for it to appear on your account. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you fix Notes music not showing, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next